year 2025, I am very surprised that some women are still lamenting that they do not have anything doing just because what they are housewives. Now, I am here to tell you that even as housewife, there are a lot of businesses you can do, and there are a lot of things you can invest your time in, and you can, and within from now till 2026, highest or latest to January 2026, you will start earning. Now, in this video, I want to reveal to you 5 different things you can do as a stay-at-home mom, and it will actually what be productive to you. It will what yield money. If this video is the one you do not want to miss, wait and watch to the end. Thank you. Welcome back to my channel. My name is Okereke Chidima Godson Kadiri. I'm a mom, I'm a wife, and in this my channel, I teach a lot of things. I teach you how to take care of your baby, how to nurture your newborn, things you're supposed to feed your baby to make them grow well. I also teach how to quickly recover from postpartum, and I also teach pregnancy and pregnancy tips. I teach how to become a very good wife and a very good mother at the same time. If you want to balance your life of being a mother and still being a girl, why don't you subscribe to my channel and let us enjoy this motherhood thing together. So hello fellow stay-at-home moms. Number one thing you can invest in and actually have money is baking pastries, baking snacks and pastries. If your environment allows it, why don't you bake? You can bake this our Nigerian buns, our Nigerian puff puff. You can also learn how to do chin chin. If you can bake cake and supply to some shops, it will actually earn you good money. You just need to start with a few things. You need the flour, or you also need a baking pan and all that. And the most important part of it is anything you are doing, make sure you are doing it very well, because if your snacks taste better than the one next shop, people are definitely going to buy from you. And in all businesses, you actually need time to grow, because you do not expect to just spike up or come up. People have been in the streets before you are coming. The second thing you can invest in as a stay-at-home mom to make money is learning vocational skill. Yes, it's going to consume a little time, but once you master it, you will start earning your own money. The first one you can learn is bead making. Bead making is actually in vogue right now. Beading of bags, beading of bangles, anklets, even beading of these waist beads and all that. The second one is catering service, cooking, baking of things, baking of cakes, baking of pastries. The third one is makeup. You can agree with me that if you have the right target, your target audience actually accepts you, you are going to make a lot of money from learning makeup. Another thing is also investing in production skills, production of soaps, production of perfumes and all that. There are people who can teach it, and even on YouTube here, there are a lot of people who teach this vocational skill. If you master this vocational skill, by 2026, you are going to start making your own money. Is buying and selling business. Yes, buying and selling business is very, very good. It is a quick way to make money. That one, you don't even need time. As far as you have bought what you want to sell, you can just start selling it and make your money. Number one thing you can sell as a stay-at-home mom is soft drinks. And you can also learn how to make this zobo drink, this kunu drink, tiger nut drink. Within your environment, you start selling it. Little by little, you will just see that your business will grow. The second thing is groceries, food stuff at home. You can buy and sell all these things. Another thing you can go into and buy and sell is jewelries. Yes, as a seller of earrings myself, that is the business I do. You can go into selling of jewelries, earrings, bangles, anklets, necklace, and even rings. Is a very good way to make money as a stay-at-home mom. The fourth one is stay-at-home tutoring. Yes, if you have the space to accommodate little kids, if you have the space to accommodate children, you can actually start teaching them. Parents will hand their kids over to you for you to teach for a period of time till they come and pick their baby up. You can start tutoring at home. It is a very good way to make money as a stay-at-home mom. That one, you are not leaving your house. You just have your space that people bring children to you. You teach just as if they are going to school, and what they come and take their baby home. It's a very cool way to make money without stressing yourself. The fifth one, which is the last but not the least, is what? Learning high demand skills. Yes, even as a stay-at-home mom, you can invest your time in what? Learning high demand skills like cyber security, social media management, digital design, and even graphic design. You can also learn how to help what? To do sites. These are web development. It is a very good, high and demanding skill what? That can make you cool money. It is not going to start now, because you have to learn it first, and after mastering it, you will start making your money on your first gig. Now, have I told you what you actually like? Is this video the one you wait and watch to the end? Why don't you give it a thumbs up? Do not forget to subscribe to this channel, and also like, comment for more. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.